All right, guys, listen, this is a really cool app that's in my arsenal that you should also start using as well. It's really cool. It's sometimes, in order to increase the average order value of your customer, all it takes is the tiniest, simplest little nudge, and you can get people to spend more money on your store. I don't know if you've ever heard this before, but I don't even know where I heard it. But there's a saying that says most people will spend money just to save money. Have you ever spent money just to save money before? It kind of sounds crazy, right? If you see a really good deal, if it's a good savings, oftentimes you will actually spend more money to save a little bit. It's kind of crazy, but people do it. I know I do it. And that's exactly what this app does right here. It gives your customers a little nudge that will get them to spend more money to save a very small amount of money. It's really wild how it works. So this video, we're going to go over the free shipping bar by Hextum. All right, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's not my app, not my company, but as you can see, they've got 5 stars and almost 3,000 reviews. And this is something that anybody can set up probably in under 5 to 10 minutes and start getting your customers to spend more money and buy more items. I'm going to walk you through installing it and I'm going to show you what it does. So let's do that now. All right, so here we are in our Shopify store. And of course, we're in the application section. So go ahead and hit Visit Shopify App Store. And we're going to look for this free shipping bar app. So let's just come up here and click on free shipping. There it is. It's one of the first ones that shows up. So you want to click where it says FSB, free shipping bar by Hextum, and you'll be able to watch a little video review on how it works. You can read other users' reviews, more about what the app does, and they actually will let you try it for free. So that's really cool. So you can get it installed on your store for free. And you can just read all of the great advantages of it over here. Display free shipping offers on the top of your website. Congratulate customers when they qualify for free shipping. There's all sorts of crazy things you can do with this, but I like to keep it simple. So we're just going to go ahead and hit get. And remember, if you don't want it on your store, you can always uninstall it later. It's so simple. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. We're going to hit install app. And it's now going to install the app to my store. It just takes a couple of seconds here. And whoa, all of a sudden you're like, this looks overwhelming. This is a lot of stuff, but it's actually not. It is so easy to set this up, okay? So that being said, they give you step-by-step instructions right here to make sure everything is done correctly. So step 1 says go to admin, settings, and shipping. And create a shipping zone under an existing shipping zone where you want to offer free shipping. All right, so here's what you would basically have to do. And if you're using the Better Shipping app, they don't work together. Okay, so you can use both of them on your store at the same time, but for this to work, you would be using Shopify's native settings. So anyways, let's just follow the instructions and then I'll show you the finished product. This is so cool. All right, admin settings, shipping. So we're going to come down here to our settings. All right, and once you click on settings and then shipping, now you're in the shipping settings. Just scroll down to where it says zones and rates. All right, so all you're doing now is creating a free shipping zone. And I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but what this does is this app offers people free shipping in order to get them to spend more money. So they'll say if you spend $100, then you can get free shipping. So if somebody's already spending, let's say $80 on your website, and they say, oh, if I spend $20 more, I can save money on shipping. In other words, I'll save $5 or $10 on shipping and handling if I spend 20 more. See what I'm saying? People will spend money in order to save money. It's crazy. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this in the US. Of course, you can control all of this, right? We're going to click on edit. So right here where it says US for me, I'm going to click edit. I could do this for the rest of the world as well. So we're going to click edit. Now, I'm not going to change any of this stuff, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to where it says price-based rates, and I'm going to click add a rate. All right, and we're gonna name this free shipping. So for me, I say spend $100 on my store and you'll get free shipping. And it's pretty crazy how much people will, will spend just to save $5 on shipping. Anyways, where it says range, you're gonna say that it needs to be $100. So in other words, you're saying in order for this shipping rate to be available for a customer, they must spend at least $100, okay? And this is where we're gonna get them over that tipping point to spend $100. And then you wanna click where it says free shipping rate right here. And there you go, click that and just hit done. Boom. So now you'll see free shipping, and it's only if somebody spends $100 or more. Very, very simple. Now let's jump back over to the app, and you can see we just did all of these steps like literally in, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. We went to shipping settings, we added a free shipping rate, and we did it by order price. We put whatever we wanted our goal to be, our goal to get people to spend $100, and we hit save. All right, so now all we have to do is come down here. You can skip all this other stuff. I mean, you should read it, but we're gonna skip it for now. And we're just going to create a new bar. So check this out. We hit create a new bar, and you can choose what it looks like. Now this is gonna stick to the top of your website, okay? So I like this one right here. So let's click this green one. All right, and now here's what's gonna happen. It's going to tell people when they hit my website that if they spend $100, they'll receive free shipping. And as they add products to their cart, it's going to count down how much money they need to spend in order to qualify. And then it's going to give them free shipping, right? So you can edit this, right? You can edit any of this down here. So let's just say free shipping bar 1, okay? Now, you've got United States, currency symbol, we'll leave that as it is. Our goal is to get people to spend $100. That's what we set up a second ago. And we have, let's just say we might want to add in here like today only. And then it's going to say free shipping on free shipping for orders over $100. And then we've got, everything else is done. We leave that to where it says only X amount of dollars away from free shipping. And then when they actually achieve their goal, it's going to say, congrats, you've hit the free shipping rate. All right, now down here, you can add a link into the bar or whatever. I leave that on default. Don't do it. I leave this on the default, and I'd let it display on any and all pages. I don't exclude this from any pages. I let it work on both desktop and mobile devices. You can geo-target if you want to. I don't. And it's all done. You can come down here and edit any colors you'd like to, but I just will leave it like this. I mean, they have all sorts of things. Like you can edit the backgrounds. You can edit the way the text is going to look. There's all sorts of stuff that you could do in here. But for me, we're just going to hit save. And boom. All right, our bar has now been created. Look, now when we scroll down, we're going to see our free shipping bar. We're going to see that it's running. Now watch this. When we go visit our site, we're going to have this little bar on the top that you haven't even seen yet, but you're about to see. Okay, there we go. So look, now you can see up here at the top of the store, it says today only free shipping for orders over $100. So no matter where I go on the website, that bar is going to follow me around, and it's going to tell me that, hey, if I spend $100, I could get free shipping. So let's say that we come in here and I add a product to the cart, and this cart is this product's $19. Notice up here that it says now I'm only $81 away from free shipping. So let's add it again. All right, and again, and you'll see that it counts down. So it's enticing people to buy more items to qualify for free shipping, right? And boom, once they have over $100 in their cart, look what happens. It says, congrats, you have free shipping. Now when I go to the cart to actually check out, it'll display that free shipping option for me. And that is only if I am not using the app Better Shipping. So if you're watching this video and you don't know what Better Shipping is, make sure you look right here in the app arsenal and you watch the video on better shipping, okay? And you go over those settings because you can only use one or the other. Now, however, if you are using better shipping, there still is a way to use this app, okay? There's still a way to use this app, and I'm going to show you how it's done. This was the basic way if you're using Shopify's native basic settings. I've got a little trick up my sleeve that lets you have the best of both worlds, okay? So instead of setting up a shipping rate in Shopify in their native shipping settings like we did earlier, what we're going to do instead is, and this is a whole new example, all right? This is a whole new example, and I like to do it this way personally, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to where it says discounts. Watch this. And we're going to create a discount. Now this discount code, let's just say free ship 100. This is the code that a customer can use to get the discount that we're going to create. Where it says conditions, I'm just going to make it free shipping. And we can, of course, toggle what countries and whatever, and how many times they can use it. We're just going to do it like this. Check this out. Now, if somebody uses this code, no matter if you're using Shopify's native settings or you're using the Better Shipping app to do advanced shipping rates, if people put in this code at checkout, it's going to give them free shipping. So let me just give you an example of how this would work, okay? We've created this discount code. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to our apps. Okay. We're going to go to free shipping by Hextum. And we're just going to create a new bar. All right. And we'll do this one, Harvest Gold. Now, our goal is still to get people to spend over $100, right? That's our goal, all right? What we're going to do is we're going to change things up a little bit though, right? We're going to change this third part up. When they actually qualify, we're going to change what it says. Okay, so right here where you can start putting in like your goal of $100, free shipping on orders over $100, we're still going to add today only. All right. And then right here, once they've achieved their goal, this is the message that they're going to see once they've added $100 worth of stuff to their cart. See right here? This is the message that we're toggling right here. So we could say, congratulations, you've got free shipping. What we're going to do here, and this is the little trick that I figured out, you can say, congrats, you just earned free shipping. Use code free ship 100. Okay, so now what we're doing, and if you scroll up here, you'll see what it looks like. It's going to tell people when they get to the checkout to use this discount code, and that will give them free shipping. So this is only if they've got $100 worth of stuff in their cart. Now you can edit this message up, and you could say, like, instead of congrats, you could say, sweet, you just earned free shipping. All right, and now all we have to do is come down here. We can leave everything else the same. They have so many options you don't need to use. Hit save, boom. All right, now you'll see that you've got two different bars, right? You can deactivate one, you can activate the other, right? So you've got activate, deactivate. Right now, we have our newest one that we created active. Now watch this. When we jump over to our store, and I'm going to refresh, watch what happens. All right, so let me just get all this stuff out of the cart, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so it says today only free shipping over $100. Same thing's going to happen. As I add stuff to the cart, it's going to count down for me. But now what it's going to do is it's going to give me this discount coupon, right? So now it says use free ship 100 at checkout. So when I go to the cart to actually check out, and I get right here to check out, and I type in free ship 100 as a customer and hit apply, boom, it gives me free shipping, right? So that's the idea. So there's two ways to do it. I just showed you both ways. The app is super simple. It is a free app to start using. You just simply have to install it on your store, follow this video, and I'm telling you, if you can set different goals, mine's 100, but I have people that'll come in and they were only going to spend like $65, but they see this message, so they'll buy another item, and it'll make them spend $100 just to save $5 on shipping. It's all psychology. It's a mental consumer thing. They will spend money to save money. They'll spend $100 to save $5, right? And this bar is pretty amazing, and it's so simple to set up. And I promise you, if you use this on your store, it will push some people over the edge if you use it correctly. And it's also great for like holiday promotion announcements and stuff like that. So once again, this is the free shipping bar by Hexstum. It is in my app arsenal, and I recommend you put it in yours too.